Good day, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see in the back, I bought a series of washer, so I will be able to fix my the front attachment of the snowplow. So I'm gonna put the washer in there, and also on the snowplow completely at the end. So I'm gonna prepare the washer on the surfaces, and then you will see me welding them. All right, cheers. All right, so I'm gonna put my vest because it's such a small welding. However, I'm gonna start my fan. So I put the washer in place. I'm just gonna tack it temporarily, everything, and then I'm gonna dry fit it. First trial to on the plow itself, everything goes well. All right, cheers. Alright folks, gentlemen and ladies, I just come back from dinner and I closed the door again from the garage because right now it's 33 degrees Celsius outside and it's very humid. Here right now we are at, like you can see in the garage, the temperature gauge is right there, is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorry about that. It's 82 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 Celsius. All right. So I've got the piece here all welded, and then I'm gonna drive that piece there inside of here. You can see that I put two washer in here on each side. Okay, and so you don't need me to see how I'm gonna drive that thing. Perhaps I'm gonna need my whole trusty hammer. But I'm gonna put everything together. I want to try to make that video short. Okay, so see you later. Alright, gentlemen and ladies, after roughly half an hour of rigging, fitting the snowplow on the John Deere, I finally squared off everything. So as you can see from here to there, corner to corner, it's the same level. So I get 3 inches and a half on this side and about 5 inches. The reason why is it's still a little bit bended. I will fix that later, but that long the mechanism is working. That's what I'm happy. I'm going to show you that in detail. Grease! Alright, so I can drop the plow like this, perfect. I can lift it, I can move it from left to right, and still lift it in both positions. So now I get way more clearance as I go into the snow this winter. Because before that side it was already touching. So it's just a matter of keeping the cross member straight and I'll be in business. Alright, so I can show you it goes up how it works, but I know you can do a video about that. Alright, so that was my small project for the snowplow, and tomorrow I will make a very short video about how to connect electrically your lights on your trailer. Alright, cheers.